YouTube has matured over the years, and today, if anyone wants to make a decent profit from YouTube, the best way is automation. If you follow everything correctly, chances are you will be able to set up a steady income stream with YouTube without showing your face. In this video, I will not only share with you the niches that are high CPM, best performing, and most profitable, I will also share potential channels and talk about their strategies that you can apply and build a YouTube automation business. People use trends to create content that gives good short-term returns but start to lose traction after the hype cools down. You start to lose traction and your revenue from those videos follow. With that said, let's move forward and start with the channels I want to share with you in this video, and hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a fair idea about the direction you want to take for your YouTube automation journey.
Yeah, boy.
So the first channel I want to start with today is called Psych2Go. And the reason why I chose this channel is because for YouTube automation, you don't have to start with a compilation or top 10 style channel or something about funny videos. This is a pretty specific niche on the surface. This channel covers everything from relationships, common everyday psychology like depression, happiness, why we feel what we feel, etc. At the time of writing for this video, the channel has around 10.2 million followers. According to Social Blade, this account has a B+ rating and could make up to $100,000 every month, and that's not just based on an estimate. If we do the math ourselves, with just $5 CPM or even less, the channel gets around 25 million views every month, which means they could be making around $100,000 to $125,000 every month from ad revenue alone. The key here is that the channel gets regular video updates, meaning they are consistent with the content. This channel is an example for people who want to get into a niche related to self-help or general psychology. And this channel is just making money from ad revenue, which is just one stream your channel can make you. More on that in the upcoming examples, but you can see now how much they make from just one channel and from a niche that is not very high CPM, but the demand for content is high and it never gets old. If you run out of the need to know the best ways to deal with depression because you grew up, someone else will take your place as a viewer and the channel will keep on working. The next channel is a famous one, and I think you guys have seen it, and this one is called alux.com or Alux. If you go to their YouTube page, the banner reads, "They are the destination for future billionaires," where billionaires come to hang out. They have 4.2 million subscribers, and according to Social Blade, could be making around $25,000 per month. But let's quickly do the math ourselves. They are in the wealth and money niche, which has one of the highest CPMs, which could be upwards of $20, but even if we take the bare minimum for this niche, say $10 CPM, this channel gets around 6 million views every month, which translates to around $60,000 a month, which is not bad at all. In fact, what other job pays you that kind of money every month? I know there are hefty production costs and ad revenue is not the only way they make money. On their website, you can find paid courses that are essentially a one-time investment, and you get paid for as long as the course is offered, and that's how they build a brand around their main channel, which is a vital part of the YouTube automation. Once you have established an audience large enough, just 1% conversion to your merchandise or affiliate links can bring in hefty revenue. The next channel that we are going to talk about is called How Money Works, and this niche is very rewarding if you do it right. If you have the knowledge about it that is above mainstream and you can make it easy for people to understand, you have figured out the basic formula. You can even touch on topics like saving money, investment strategies, and if you are not comfortable with giving people advice, you can simply research and quote what other top investors are doing. You can become a medium for simplifying things for your audience. Now for this channel, I am not going to rely on Social Blade's earning estimates because finance-related niches are very high CPM, and what they are telling right here cannot be true. This channel gets roughly 3 million views every month, which is 3,000 times for every 1,000 views for CPM, right? So at least a $20 CPM would simply mean $60,000 every month. Now, I am not going to comment on how they make videos because in a lot of videos they use clips from movies and other people's content that is not Creative Commons, which YouTube doesn't like. All I can say is, when you are planning for your videos, you can find smart ways to replicate or mention copyrighted content, like make a simple animation about it, which tells people what you are trying to say without showing the original clip, if you know what I mean. Because YouTube doesn't like that, and your video can be demonetized. Apart from that, the channel in this niche specifically has the potential to earn $60,000 or more every month. And this channel is completely faceless, so no one is sitting behind the camera to record videos or shooting the content, which is a great low-cost way of creating content that goes on and on and on for ages. And as long as it runs, people watch these videos and the creator gets paid. Now that we have looked at more than a couple of niches with channel examples, I want to point out the common things among them. They all make faceless videos. You will find similar examples with people now showing their faces, which means they have been at it for a while and now they are comfortable and have the resources to run their own production. It is certainly not a one-man job to run a channel like that, to record, edit, and publish. Another thing I would like to point out here is very important for YouTube automation, and that is upselling your brand. If you show any products in your videos, you can add affiliate links. You can sell your own merch, courses, ebooks, drive traffic to your blog, and much more. All these things can take time to pick up the pace, but they certainly make sure your income stream does not dry up. So let's say your channel starts to suffer a little bit, but the traffic that you have been sending to your blog for months has picked up the slack. And while you maintain your YouTube channel, you are not left high and dry. These things add more security to your YouTube automation business and allows you to explore and expand more. If you are an expert in one niche but now want to branch out, save up capital from one income source. Perhaps one channel will help you fuel the start of the other. Before I end the video, let me give you one more pro tip for the new year 2023. Affiliate marketing will have the highest CPM on YouTube in 2023. The average CPM in the affiliate niche is $17 per 1,000 views, more than 10 times higher than the average CPM on YouTube. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.